Ah, the pen's gone dry. Huh? My pen's gone dry. I want to just put a mark on because I can't do the cans. It came to Monte Cristo. There's my thing. Yeah, it went off a bit yesterday. No, I mustn't hit the. I don't know whether I can get in. I'm going to try. Not very good there. I'm going to move it up a bit to here. Hopefully you can still see the angle, the dangle. And like that, I'm going to hit it. You've got the rough on, it's a sort of bit of pressure. If you just rub it just a very light, so you're just taking grains off. The edges have gone a little bit. It wasn't, I don't know whether it was the wood, I don't know what sort of wood that is. It's got a strange texture to it. I mean, I didn't see the tree because it was dropped into me. That phrase on the edge. It's the chromium plating, whatever it is I put on it. I'm shortening the angle. See what happens. I noticed yesterday I was getting a bit of a judder at one point. It only happened once. I don't know if it was the wood or I've done something different. sometimes that's the point. Bit of welly. That's got rid of it. I don't know whose chain this is. I think it's an Oregon. Without looking with the spyglass. Another one with the tip missing. And we're there. Yeah, which ones are they? These, the outer ones, aren't they? Because it's a milling chain, I haven't got any milling chains rather. I've got, see the normal angle will be there, and there's the mark on it there, and we're here. First time I will point out that's wrong. Couldn't care less. My decision seems to be working. Worked well yesterday. These files of F.A.O.B. Mine in packs of 10. You can't get a dead smooth finish with them. When you're off grid, you can't just go down the shop and buy one. They're really hard. You have to rub them hard to bring. One's a bit angled, for that reason. Actually a narrower plate man! Doesn't take long. Still seems to take a bit longer. They're, I think the Stihl's harder. Should I have some music on? You want to hear the rasp, don't you? Must be getting near now. When the frost gets away, -6 last night. Not big, but cold enough. This is coming. Too much angle on there. There we go. Just got it points knocked off. That's nice. They're not all truly accurate, but they're good enough. Good enough for an alky.